A CDC advisory committee and then the head of the CDC, Rochelle Walensky, just approved a booster dose of COVID-19 vaccine. And what's different about this shot is that it protects against the original version of the virus and also what's currently circulating, which is called BA.4 and BA.5. The virus that causes COVID-19 has been mutating for the last 2 years, changing around a little bit, especially on the spike protein, which is this protein that dots the outside of the virus, and that's what the vaccines target. The new vaccine aims at both the original spike protein and also the new one on the current variants. BA.5 is the dominant variant around the world, BA.4 is second. So this targeted booster should be better at preventing infection and severe disease from BA.4 and BA.5. This authorization covers both the Pfizer and Moderna vaccines. Pfizer would be authorized for people ages 12 and up, and the Moderna vaccine for adults only. It's believed to be extremely safe because we have so much experience with the original vaccine. And also the companies for about a year have been testing changes to the vaccine to address new variants. So they have a lot of data on that as well. The safety data that we had from previous vaccines probably covers this one. They don't expect any different side effects this time than with the previous vaccines. The last 2 winters and falls, we've had big surges of COVID-19. So there is concern that as we go inside, as things get colder in most places in the US, that infection will pass more readily and people could be more vulnerable. The rule of thumb that somebody gave me is if you haven't been vaccinated or infected within about the last 6 months, it's probably a good idea to get boosted now. If you're immunocompromised or elderly, it's probably better to shorten that time frame. And it's probably been more than a year for most people since they've had either a shot or a booster. Protection does fade with these shots, and so it's probably a good idea to get a booster shot this fall to protect against this surge that we expect in the fall and winter.
Hey, thanks for watching. If you like this video, check out these other videos from USA Today to stay up to date with all the latest news.